23-in-1 fully functional. The Manicure Pedicure Set Kit contains 23 tools, including foot rasp, cuticle pusher, foot clipper, scraper, callus remover, cuticle remover, foot file, nail and toenail clipper, etc. Different manicure pedicure tools to meet your different needs. Ergonomic design, prevent injury. Each tool is designed for special functions, with small and lightweight design, non-slip, easy to hold, easy to operate. It is non-slip, no dead angle bending design, smooth foot care. The sharp protective gear has the functions of precise and fast cutting and silicone protection to prevent injuries during nursing. Portable dead skin storage, coming with a free storage box for quick store and use. Portable size is convenient for home or professional use, you can take it wherever you go. The callus remover with a storage to collect all the shavings, allowing you to use the foot rasp anywhere with no mess. High quality. Professional pedicure kit is made of high-quality stainless steel and ABS material, durable and sturdy, which will offer you a comfortable and long-lasting use experience. Can be cleaned and used continuously, suitable for both professional and at-home pedicure. Good for removing callus, corn, hard skin, foot peel, cuticle, etc. Gently remove corn on foot, peel the dead or rough skin, smooth your feet and polish the nails, etc. All kinds of foot problems and daily maintenance. Tool maintenance and gift. After use, the foot rasp can be detached and washable immediately. Effectively solving the problem of residue, avoid dead skin residue growth. People have learned to use the family pedicure kit, and can also help husbands or wives, children, parents pedicure, and strengthen the relationship between family members. It will be a perfect gift. Top reviews from the United States. Nails and pedi. Feet tools and nail tools keep them clean and dry. The metal parts pop out and snap in, so easy to clean. Best thing to keep feet looking clean, healthy in winter when it's ridiculous to spend $50 on a pedicure. Lol.